Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on the Motorola Moto E40. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. Select this app, install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Next is to customize it, so you can sign in to turn on synchronization. Here you can accept or disagree with data sharing preferences, set Microsoft Edge as the default browser. And lastly, let's check any website on how it works. This one doesn't. Let's go for eBay. And it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.